out in Caledonia. Went fishing. Oh, geez, look at the size of that dog. Went fishing. Ended up at a burger joint here. I think it's called Burger Barn. Yeah, it is Burger Barn. It's a beautiful, big old red barn here. Let me see if I can go back out this way here so I can show you guys what the building looks like. Oh, 21 degrees Celsius. And it is on the Six Nations Reserve here in Caledonia, which is about, I don't know, about 25 minutes or so from Hamilton. They have all day breakfast here. Supposedly the burgers are really good. Let's jump inside and see what's going on here at the Burger Barn. It's nothing overly big in here. Kitchen over there. What are we doing? Waiting for a seat?
I haven't got there yet.
Huh?
Haven't got there yet.
Oh, okay. So this is the lunch and dinner menu. We got pierogies and onion rings, some deep fried pickles. We were just told to try the mushrooms. Supposedly really good. Garlic shrimp bites. That sounds interesting. Oh, look at that. They got shepherd's pie, bacon cheeseburger, a whole bunch of salads. What else we got here? Oh, sandwich. I guess that's sandwiches. The lighting isn't great, so I do apologize for that. But a fried bologna sandwich. Not for me. Sorry. All day breakfast. Steak and eggs for $17. That's not bad at all, right? A Tripoli steak. Choice of potato. What else we got? Burgers. That's what your boy came for. So I was told to have to try the Barnyard Burger. Where is it? I don't see it. Oh, there it is. The burger stacker. So I end up with the, what's it called again? The barn?
The Burger Barn.
The Burger Barn. On my side, I chose garlic mashed potato, but we'll forget that garlic mashed potato for a second. But so we've got one layer of beef patty there. We've got some cheese. We've got the chicken breast with barbecue sauce. Sorry about that. Another patty right there. Another layer of cheese. That one looks like cheddar. We've got bacon. Then over here we've got the bun with some tomato, some onions, some lettuce.
There you go, miss. And let me know if it's okay to steak, okay?
Yo, this thing is looking proper. I'm probably gonna struggle, but say what? I'm from the Caribbean. We don't give up. We don't give up. Most of it is left behind. I'm gonna zoom in and see what we got. So we've got that steak. That's the strip one, right?
Yeah.
Some home fries, some eggs, and came with baked beans as well. It's outstanding, boy. I will be sampling some of that as well too, just so you know.
Yeah.
And this is the burger all
Did he tell you?
up here. Just look at that. And the guy who recommended the burger is sitting over here. What's your Instagram, man?
My Instagram?
Yeah.
He lies cats.
There you go. Check him out on Instagram. Oh boy. What did I get myself into here, boy? Now, just look how thick this thing is here. So there's that beef, there's that chicken, there's that beef, and all the condiments and stuff like that on top, right? There's no way. So I'm kind of nibbling away on pieces, trying to bring it all together. The barbecue sauce, wow. That's good. So as you can see, Chris won, burger 0. I ate it, but I can't, no room for it, no mash. I can't do the mashed potato, man. But I'm gonna go home, breakfast tomorrow. One thing I will recommend though is that ask for a side of that barbecue sauce. Yo, that thing is really good, man. I'm not a very smoky mesquite kind of bourbon kind of guy, but that one there, it hit the spot with that burger. And the reason why I think is because the chicken breast is dry, the burger is a bit dry, so it adds a bit of the restricted things. But whoa, I think I'm getting the righteous now, boy. Let's view the bill for a second and clear. Claire was her name. You know, Claire is a boss, man. Props to Claire. Claire. So the Barnyard Burger was $23.99. The steak and egg $16.99. Subtotal of $45.76. But the thing, because we're on the is reserved the correct terminology to use. I'm gonna be politically correct all these days, but we're on the native reserve, so there's no taxes on you. So not bad for the burger that I got there. I'm gonna say it is a bit pricey, but it was a stocker.
Thanks for the suggestion.
Thanks again. Take it easy, man.
Nice meeting you.
Yeah, same here. Got a beautiful sunset happening here now. Heading back out to the Grand River to do some fishing. That's what we were originally intending on doing, but it was very crowded there. So that is how we ended up out here. Burger Barn. Not bad, man. Not bad at all. What's up, soldiers? Don't forget to click subscribe. If you've already clicked subscribe, hit that bell notification thing. I want to all you missing out on the new videos, man. Come on, click.